In the past few videos, we've covered how to graph points and describe lines using equations and slope. Now we can use that information to graph a line given its equation. As we said before, all you need to draw a line is a starting point and a direction to move in. Lucky for us, both of these are provided in the slope-intercept form of an equation. Remember, the general form of a linear equation is y equals mx plus b. While m and b stand for the slope and y-intercept respectively, they could also stand for move and begin. Given the equation y equals x plus 2, we will begin graphing our line at the point 0, 2, which is the y-intercept. Remember that if we have a number or variable by itself, it could also be written as 1 times the value. In this case, 1 times x. So the slope of this line is 1. This means that for every 1 step to the right, we move 1 step up. That means that from the y-intercept, we will move 1 unit up and 1 unit to the right. You could also find points by substituting any x value to find the corresponding y value. For instance, plug in -1 for x and evaluate. This gives us y equals 1. So there's a point at -1, 1. Now we will draw a straight line passing through all 3 points. There we have it. Let's look at another example. If we were given the equation 2x minus 3y equals 9, the first thing we need to do is put the equation in slope-intercept form. This means that we want to solve our equation for y. When we are solving for a specific variable, we can treat all other variables like any other number. So, we are going to start solving our equation by reversing the addition of 2x. We will do this by using the subtraction property of equality, leaving -3y equals -2x plus 9. Then, we need to divide both sides by -3 to reverse the multiplication. -3y divided by -3 equals y. -2x divided by -3 is positive 2/3 x, and positive 9 divided by -3 is -3. So, the result is y equals 2/3 x minus 3. Now we graph starting at the point 0, -3, then we move up 2 and right 3 to the point 3, -1. Now all we need to do is draw our line passing through both points. Graphing lines gives us a way to visualize the relationships between x and y values described by an equation. Graphs can help tell the stories that equations just can't. In this video, we covered how to graph a line from an equation.